Heading up?
Yes.
Don't worry, I won't get you. I'm just showing the elevator.
Oh, you're fine.
What floor?
3, please.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
You too.
This is the elevator here at the Alamo Building on Tijon Street in Colorado Springs. And we got some original 70s Dovers here with a very early version of the newer traditional. Look all the way down the shaft. Here's your call button. Lobby. Here's a view of the cab. Typical 70s, 80s Dover cab. We're gonna watch the lobby button go out. We'll send this one on its way and we'll get the other car. The pump's definitely been replaced on that one. Let's see about this one though. Oops, this side. Forward. That's the building it serves that it's connected to. Unfortunately, you can't hear the motor really because of the fan. Huh, I just touched it and it lit up. There's your fixtures. Watch the lobby button go out. And here we are. Let's send it up and maybe we'll hear the motor going up. Motor sounds replaced on that one, but it is what it is. Anyways, that is gonna be it.